Back to another stream. We got a little bit of a public live today. Hopefully everybody's doing good. So we got some interesting things going on in the market right now. I've still got CFVI up here. I'm still interested in this one. SPY coming down a little bit over here. We are getting some statements from some members of the Fed. That's kind of been what's coming out this morning. The other thing that we were looking at over here is this right here. I've been looking at these target rate probabilities for September. Now, I think they're going to do 75. That's just my expectation of what is going to happen with the Fed coming into the next meeting. I think that's what a lot of people are fearful over. If you guys watched the video yesterday, Neil Kashkari was actually really happy with the way that the market reacted to Jerome Powell's statements at the Fed, which means that that was their goal. They're trying to show everybody that the Fed is going to stick to their mandate of getting inflation down to 2% by continuing to raise interest rates at a pretty significant rate. So that's what we're looking at here. So yesterday, this was actually up around 74, 75%. It actually came down a little bit to 68.5. I see this going up over the next week or so. So that's what we're looking at here. This box right here, the target rate, 300 basis points to 325. That's a 75 basis point hike. This one over here, 275 to 300. That's a 50 basis point hike. So that's kind of what we're looking at. I've also, somebody was bringing up Target in the Discord earlier. I think it was Ryan. This looks good on the daily here. We were looking at, this was a Pythagoras call out a while ago. Remember guys, Pythagoras, the daily algorithm, fire, just wild. It predicts the crosses before they happen with a very high degree of certainty. It's perfect for 9 to 5 people who are working jobs. It's very like hands off for the trader. I mean, I buy these contracts. I trade options with it, but I buy these contracts a month and a half, 2 months out, and it's just like set and forget. There it is. There, have your stop loss set and just let the thing go. But Tiger looks good depending on what happens with the market over here. I mean, it's up 0.83% in the pre-market. I'm looking at BABA and Coin, and with the SPY here, here's kind of what I see. Also, are we good over here? Are we good over here? All right, guys. Again, this is a public live today, so if you guys would not mind smashing that like button on this stream over here, helps out a whole lot with the algos over here too. So again, guys, it's public live day, so if you wouldn't mind just helping the algos out, just hitting that button down below. Thank you. I would appreciate that. Oh, Subi. Hello. Rance, how you doing? Apparition, what's up, man? Thinking to join 13.8. If I pay today, do I have to pay again September 1st? Yes, I believe you would. Yes. Let's see. Fun chat last night. Please explain the dog's birthday. Later. We gotta stay locked in over here. We gotta stay locked in. All right. So here's what I see going on with the SPY here. There's a couple of interesting things that happen. I have this zone between about 400 and 402.50. That's about where this is. Now we popped into this zone yesterday in the pre-market. We got bought out of it. The buyers could not sustain this momentum, dropped hard back in. And you can see, if you look at the volume candles, that this candle right here on the 5-minute had a little bit of unusual volume picking up. So buyers were really trying to push this out. So we came down and we're just hovering along this in the after hours, gapped up in pre-market. But I think if we come down into this box again, I think it's very possible that we come down and touch the lower end of it. And that's going to be that potential 400 test. We're at 404.50 right now. Again, I think it's very possible that we see a little bit of a relief bounce up to, I mean, now it's far away, but that 410 was looking interesting. Now, though, it's like, not looking too great. Let's see. Take a look at GME. What's going on with GME? GME. Up 2.22, 4 hour. Oh. This looks fucking, I hate when they do. They don't like adjust for anything. All right. Looks better on the, yeah, it's crossing down on the daily here. That's not great. That's not necessarily what you want to see. Where's Jimmy? Yeah, I mean, you have the support level at 28. It's up a little in the pre-market here, but MACD's showing a little bit less bearish. Okay. I mean, it's kind of no man's land here down in this zone. But in general, it looks like it could come down. Let's see. The Golden Retriever's birthday party. Guys, come on now. Come on now. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way. And if you guys haven't, helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. I appreciate that. We're going to be live pre-market, market open. Well, let's see what we got over here. So, yeah, I'm still holding those eBays from Pythagoras too. Those are filthy. So they're for October. They're already up a lot. I already took profit on them, letting them ride. Let's see. All right, coins. What's Bitcoin doing? Because yesterday coin was going wild with Bitcoin. Is it back below 20K still? Pop back up. Okay, tickers. Where's Tessie? Tessie slipping. Tessie slipping. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Another interesting one is Crowd. Be careful, they have earnings after hours today. Ooh, thank you, Jeremy. I appreciate that. CrowdStrike. Yeah, this is going to be really expensive on the chain. It just usually is for no reason. Like these are $900 for the weeklies. That's crazy. You can flip it if you want to. I wouldn't. Are you talking about the daily? Yeah. What are the predictives saying? Because we have a lot. I mean, Trader Joe is up what, almost 20% right now. Probably a little less because he's shorting a lot of things. But Trader Joe, the first algorithm, killing it. Pythagoras and the predictives on the day, absolutely slaughtering it too. Like it's just, these are the best tools that retail has right now. It's unbelievable what Algo and Andy were able to do with this. It's great. APA, that's Alk. Oh no, that's oil. What's oil doing this morning? Oil down 2.36, Brent down 2.3, natural gas down 2.37. Here's the thing about oil, though. Going into the winter, it's like the oil, like heating your home is going to be so expensive. Adrian, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Thought the feds got me. Adrian, I'm making videos every day. Everyday videos. How are you finding your entries on Pythagoras using the 5-minute? Maverick. This is so I made a curriculum video for this. It just has to go out, but eBay is an amazing example of this, of what I did. So again, if you guys do want the curriculum, the link's in the top of the live chat and all the other stuff. Pythagoras, Invictus, they're some of the most powerful they are the most powerful algorithms out on the market right now for retail investors. Yeah, the link's in the top, but if you guys can't find it, here it is right here. All right, so here's what happened on eBay. So this is when eBay alerted the predictive cross down. I saw it in the after hours, then made a video about it, and then told all of you guys. So I ended up getting it on this day right here, but you can see that it wicks up like this. So you can see this wick. Now, this is the 23rd. Now, what I did was I looked on the 5-minute here, going back to the 23rd, which is right here. And you can see eBay gets a little bit of juice out of the gate. Now, you start to see the 13 come down. This is an Invictus trade right here on the 5-minute. So I essentially just used Invictus to enter the Pythagoras trade. So I was already green at the end of the day. Now, with the amount of time that I had on my contracts, even when we went up to here on this day with the Fed, this was also the day that the spread started freaking out. So I don't even know how much they were actually down, but they weren't down that much. The spreads just went like that. They just had spreads wider than the fucking Grand Canyon. And I was like, all right, well, this is not real. It's not that high. So, and the contracts had a lot of time. So I just waited on them and then they ended up printing. But I had already taken a little bit of profits off the table on them too. So it was like I already had a little bit of a buffer. But that's what I did. I used Invictus, or I used the price action that day to gauge my entry. I didn't just go, okay, market open willy-nilly, buy eBay puts. I waited for the chart to tell me this is where we're starting to come down, and then I pounced on it. Is today public live day, Bjorn? It is, man. It is public live day. So again, guys, we do these live streams every day. Pre-market, market open. This is what we do all the time. You get 3 live streams a day. You actually might get a 4th coming soon. What do you think about Weber squeeze potential? I want to almost refrain from calling it like squeeze, because I feel like that word is going to trigger something in a lot of you guys, and you're just going to be like it's going to go to like crazy high numbers. Could it run? Yeah. I mean, let's look at it right here. I've heard a lot of people talking about Weber. But you got to go in with proper risk management. Like this is looking interesting on the daily here. Like this crossed up on the daily way back here at 750. I mean, this is just crazy here. The RSI's honestly, everything's looking pretty decent here on this thing. What's it up in the pre-market? Oh, 4.97%. This thing looks interesting. Where's the 4? I mean, what is it at 10? This is not something I would typically trade though. The only reason why I was calling out Rumble on Sunday, and I mean, I think if you guys were listening to the things I was saying in the stream, remember there was like that one play that I kept telling you guys about. I was like, I don't know yet. I was like, hey, Mom, I'll make a video about it if it comes. I was like, I think I do like this one. It was Rumble. It was CFVI. I just needed to see the numbers from what was going to happen and then make a video about it. But that's a very niche scenario where the chart looked really good. It had some great news on it, and then you had to see if the buyers were actually going to come in and move above those key technical levels. Weber, I don't know a whole lot about. So they could have news. Let's see. But the CFVI trade, like that one was filthy. I called that out in a video on Sunday. And then if you guys have been listening to anything that we've been saying over the last 6 months, look at this. CFVI yesterday. Look, cross down, cross up, never comes back below the 13 EMA closing candles until here, 11.43. So you essentially could have ridden this from 10.35, a whole dollar. That's crazy. The current short interest on Weber is 57%. Ooh, interesting. Here's the deal with those. What's going to happen, and this is some people just don't understand what I'm saying when I say this, that like those types of stocks, and I would say that AMC and GME are included as well. It's never like over. It can't be. Logically, it doesn't make sense for there to just like wipe out short interest and then have it never be there again. So what happens is that Weber's at those lower levels with high short interest. So let's use Weber as an example. Now what happens is if it gets momentum to the upside, the shorts start to get out of their positions. Okay, so then the price starts to increase to higher levels. Is it going to break the previous highs? Well, I don't know. We could see what happens with it. It's got this big double top here. If it wants to break this, it could go on a pretty significant mission to the upside, but we'll see. Now, after it gets up to those higher levels, what happens? Well, since it's made those kind of irrational moves in this kind of marketplace, well, it doesn't make sense for the stock to hold there. So then the shorts come back in, pump the short interest even more, and the stock comes back down, and the cycle repeats itself. So it just cycles in and out of like high short interest, stock runs, they short it at the top, comes back down. Incredibly tradable. Like these things, if you can look at these and you can trade with proper risk management, they are incredibly tradable, and you can make a lot of money with these. Let's see. 1348 kills with the right mindset. Dude, I mean, I saw a couple of you guys. One shout out also. Quick shout out to JG Wentworth and Kenny buying Jeeps and Teslas with their 1348 gains. Fuck yeah, guys. I love to see that. What do your algos have to say about CFVI? Would you hold to the 15th vote? So Kip Lionel, if you watch the video, I'm looking at CFVI way differently than like another side, just because one, you don't know what's going to happen with it. And I mean, the vote at the end. It's also at the end of October, isn't it? It's like October 31st, I think. It's like way out there. They moved it. So the date is not August anymore. It's October. But I flipped contracts on it yesterday, like on the 5-minute. And then I just rolled out to like a little baby position for January. So I'll see what happens with it. If I don't like it, I'll just sell it. And then if I do like it, I'll add a little bit and then see what happens. Let's see. And again, Kip Lionel, what the algos do, so what Pythagoras does is it has a 10% trailing stop. But the difference between Pythagoras and Trader Joe, which makes Pythagoras really nasty, is it doesn't have like a certain take profit level. It's using like different, like a whole different like set of tools to gauge momentum. So if those in total are going to say momentum slowing down, it'll take profits. It's not a set take profit level. That's why it was able to hold for a lot of the BBBY run, because Pythagoras caught the Bed Bath & Beyond run, the big one before Ryan Cohen dumped, like a week before everybody started talking about it. Like, that's just how powerful this thing is. It caught, what else was it? It gave us the eBay. It's caught a lot of things too. NVIDIA. It's caught so many awesome things. I mean, that's why it's having so much success. Can I look at Target? Yes. Yes. Target is an interesting one. So I think SPY might get a little bit of relief over this is on the 4-hour. It looks good. You're coming up to retest this previous resistance here. But yeah, on the daily, it looks good. If you start to see the SPY start to show a little bit of weakness, I think Tiger could get hit. That's kind of what you're looking at here. It's like timing. It's timing when the SPY is actually going to crack this 400. Let's see. Twitter says introducing Twitter Circle, a new way to tweet to a smaller crowd. Oh, that's interesting. Interest rates will need to be restrictive, says Barkin. No fucking shit, Barkin. No shit. A little more iffy with these data weeks. Things can flip flop. Yeah. So this week's interesting. We were talking about this in the live stream yesterday, where, so today we have job openings and job quits at 10 a.m. and the consumer confidence index. Probably not going to be touching a whole lot until 10, just so we can see what the data is. And again, 10 before 10 is going to be incredibly volatile too. If you are going to do it, it's quick flip, scalp city. Don't over leverage yourself on weeklies in the first 30 minutes of the open, because you could easily get shark finned and fucked. Then tomorrow we get manufacturing PMI, which is going to be that's going to be crazy. And then we get the jobs report Thursday, along with productivity revision. No, where is it? S&P manufacturing PMI. And then Friday, we get non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate. So there's a lot of data coming out this week about the job market. Leo, what's up, man? Calls on AMC for November, October, but end of December, AMD will have a big move. A lot of data shows big moves coming. Leo, I mean, it might. The thing is that you need them to dilute APE, really, is what you kind of need. I mean, technically, you could see a move. We'll see what happens with it, though. But you really need them to increase the value of the company fundamentally, and you also need the money so the decrease in the price of APE, which again, it may not, it could go down and then pop off the dilution. But if it does stay lower, eventually you need the decrease in price of APE to carry over fundamentally into the price of AMC in a greater amount than you've been diluted in APE. But that could take a while to happen because the market has to decide that based on the data at hand. That's what has to happen. Lucid? Because essentially you've been moved over. It's like we talked about this. Making Twitter a more perfect echo chamber. Yeah, I guess, man. All right, guys. Again, if you guys wouldn't mind, keep hitting that like button on the stream on the way in too. This is a public live today. Helps out with the algos over here. Lucid. I mean, we can look at this on the daily 4-hour. See what it's looking like on the longer term trends. I mean, daily, it looks like it's just slowly walking its way down. 4-hour, I bet it's looking pretty similar here. Yeah, it's just getting walked down on the 4-hour. Sounds kind of shilly. No, that's okay. No, that's not. Oh my God, bro. You can't then. No, that is no. That's just the reality of it. It's like they're going to dilute APE, which is good for the company. You just need the value to actually get transferred back over into AMC more than they've diluted APE with. Oh my God. Chill! He provided an idea! Fuck you! Oh my Lord. All right. Back to business as usual. All right. So let's see. Meta risk reward looks decent on the longer time frame. Which longer time frame? If you don't say to the moon every single day, it's gonna rip tomorrow. If you don't say MOAS tomorrow every single day, you're a fucking hedge fund. Oh shit. All right. Sorry. I had to let it out a little bit. Sorry. I'm just fucking around. All right. 4-hour looks interesting here. You could see it come down to 150. What's that? 150 or 160 in the pre-market. Oops. Yeah, I mean, you're in Chop City here. You've entered Chop City. Keith. What's up, man? This is where I wish I could pull out Keith Chan. I would have so much fun right now. Still here, still printed with 1348. Keith, my man, thanks for being a member, buddy. Kind of love the public shit. Yeah, I know. It's fine. It's fine. We know what we're getting ourselves into today. It's cool. It's cool. We can do it. UNG should be down right now with the way that natural gas was moving in the pre-market. Yeah, UNG's down 1.88. Okay, here's the deal. We're gonna talk about Oxy a little bit here. Do not Oxy. I have now labeled Oxy, and nobody can change this. It's mini Tesla, is what Oxy is. But it's interesting because you wouldn't expect Oxy to move, like to have that much volatility baked into the option chain. So there's two things. If you're going to be trading Oxy with short time to expiration, you have to be very, very, very aware that you're just quick flipping it. Can you catch moves like this? Yes. Are you also most likely going to have shit like this happen? Yes. So you have to be aware of these quick flips. I'm not trying to get more than 10 to 15% on Oxy anytime I trade it. If you're trying to catch the full move, you need more time because it's going to fly around. Denial. Thank you so much for being a member, buddy. Had to search you. Shatterbands for the win. It's fine. It's fine. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. And again, we've been talking a lot about Pythagoras and Invictus and all the other amazing things that we have coming for you guys. We went over a little bit of Pythagoras. If you guys have any more questions on Pythagoras and Invictus and you guys aren't in there with us yet, just let me know. Ask your questions over here if you guys do want to hop in. The link is in the top of the live chat, but I can also throw it in here for you guys too. Come check it out. What we offer you guys right now is insane. The amount of success that our members are having, it speaks for themselves at this point. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. That's what I'm here for. But yeah, come check it out. Come check it out. All right, let's see. SPY is slipping a little bit here. Tessie's slipping. Hold on. Is there any news coming out? ADT partners with Uber to provide in-app safety feature for riders and drivers nationwide. I don't think Uber would pop on that, but we'll see. No. Any BB swings? No. Is that BlackBerry? Nah, probably not. This is not a stock that I would typically want to trade. Look at this bar. Like, it's just not for me. What's this look like and it's like a sub $10 stock. So there's a couple of reasons why I don't like sub $10 stocks. It's like the deltas, the IV on them goes crazy. It's just not for me. But daily looks like it wants to come down. Getty. Okay, everybody's talking about Getty. What's up? Or one person talking about Getty. What is this thing? Images. Getty Images holding. Okay, this looks like. Oh, is this is this like? This is dying here. This could get a little bounce here on the daily, but this looks like it's getting knifed. It's up 8% in the pre-market here, but this is dying. Wait, this is the IPO of it? Or is this a merger? Down 25% yesterday. This thing's getting booty clapped. What's up, Vix? Going to join the Discord on September 1st? Nacho Libre. There you go, my man. Let's see. Oh, cool. Public stream. So we get on all the new pump and dump tickers that I put on. Fuck it. It happens, man. It happens. Be careful. If you're going to trade something that's getting like hyped up, if you're not early, you're way late and you don't want to be late. Getty has an 800% cost to borrow. Please don't base your investment decisions on what the cost to borrow is. You can highly pump and dump. Yes. You can use it as like a piece of your analysis. Be like, okay, if it starts to run and the short interest is high, it could run a little bit more. But I would not be like, oh, it's shorted, fucking full port it. No. Adrian, how you doing, buddy? Thanks for the super. Had to switch to watching the Canadian Trader TV live. Glad you're back to sell these options with me. Beta Gang is printing premiums all day. There we go. Adrian, yes, we do one public live a week, and then we might be doing one public live a day coming soon. I'll let you guys know where that's going to be. But that is something that we are working on for you guys. So it'll be fun. It'll be we're going to try to make it super, super high quality too. But that'll be fun. We'll have a good time with that. Great way to explain that. Yeah. Gator bait. Yeah, exactly. 1348 has taught me so much. Love this Discord. Lori, I love to see that. Thank you. That's what we're all here to do. We're all here to make money in the market. Our members' results speak for themselves at this point. You guys are fucking killing it. It's awesome to see, man. Good morning, Baba. Ooh, did it do something now? Oh, hello, Alibaba. Yeah, I had some Baba puts yesterday that I was messing around with a little bit on the on Invictus. Flipped them quick. Those are fun. Again, I'm probably waiting till 10 to get some of that data coming in. which is going to be job openings, job quits, and consumer confidence index. Just so you know, private lives are much better. Oh yeah, those won't change. You'll still get 3 of them a day. Let's see. Check out UNH on the weekly. Yeah, like highs and lows made more money in the stock as a performance over time. Oh, I know all about UNH, but UNH is a wild boy. That thing just goes boom, just doesn't stop. But yeah, if you look at it on the weekly, it's probably just the biggest. Yeah, look at this fucking thing. This is like AWK, American Waterworks. So there's a couple of stocks that like just have charts like this. AWK is another one. American Waterworks. Look at this thing. Oh, it came. Wow, this is like the first time ever. Look, American Waterworks just since inception in 2008 is just up, 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 up. This is like the first time I've seen it come down. That's interesting. Denial. Thank you for the super, my man. Starlink T-Mobile partnership equals cellular revolution. I would. If you're gonna do it, it's a shares. I think it's a long-term shares play. What's the most important piece of information for somebody that's gonna start day trading? You're not trading against the market. You're trading against yourself. I mean, there's a lot of them. There's probably like 5 things. Like I made a video about this. It was like the 5 most important things. Like one of them is the psychological aspect. You're not necessarily trading against the market. You're trading against your own stupid tendencies to do stupid shit. Like the psychological aspects of trading, like the YOLO beast that you have in you. You need to tell them to shut the fuck up sometimes. Second thing is more time. 2, or 3, don't overcome. There's a lot of things. It's like, don't overcomplicate it. Don't try to, this is the other thing. Don't try to make a year's worth of money in a day, because you can easily blow up your account in one day. Easily. You're not going to retire in a day, most likely, but can easily blow up your account in a day. Yeah, it's mindset change. Yeah, it's most of the time it's controlling your emotions. Again, guys, if you wouldn't mind, keep hitting that like button on the stream on your way in over here. Helps out with the algos. And if you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Let's see. Must file to amend counterclaim with whistleblower complaint. Base hits. Yeah, base hits is another really good one. Put the power of compound interest on your side. I mean, there's a lot of things that we talk about in the group all the time. It's like the one thing that I've harped on a lot, and I will continue to do so, is get more time. If you're going to be traded with weeklies, it should be house money. Like, it's not worth it. They can move so fast on you. And if you don't know how to navigate option change and get in and out of positions really quickly, you're going to get fucked. Let's see here. All right, guys. So SPY slowly getting its walked down here. I would not. Yeah. Okay. So this is kind of what we're looking at here. If we were to be right here when the market opens, we have the 13, 200, 48, and VWAP to contend with, which is a tough position to be for the market to come up. Can it? Yeah. It's just gonna bang its head on a lot of these levels before it wants to come up, unless you get those big buyers to come in to just shoot it above all of them. You prefer a minimum of 1 month out, 2 months out, even better. That's what I do for Pythagoras. Because Pythagoras is a monster, bro, and you just need to give it enough time to play out. But one of the reasons is you want to try to enter a position that's going to mimic as close as you can owning 100 shares. Because if the stock is going to move 1%, but your option on that 1% move is going to move 20, well then, like you get one fucking candle and you're screwed. But if the stock's going to move 1% and your option is only going to move 3 or 4, then you're in a better position. My number one rule for people: stop getting distracted by how sexy not a hedge fund is. This is unreasonable. Any real estate news? REITs down 6%. Well, here's the deal with real estate. You're seeing a slowdown in new home sales. And also pending home sales as well. The reason for that is what we've been talking about for months. We've made videos about this. We've been talking about it in the live streams, that as interest rates go up, people can no longer qualify for the same like height of mortgage. So if they could previously afford a $500,000 loan, And now they can only afford like a $350,000 loan. Well, they no longer can compete in the market for those $500,000 homes. So then the demand comes down. Like, let's say there was a bunch of people that all had similar like suitability and credit ratings that could qualify. Now they can't. Okay. So then those prices of those homes then need to come down because of just basic supply and demand. There's less demand. Is 10 days out okay for puts and calls for time decay? If you're day trading, yeah, I like playing the next weeks. Like if I'm gonna do anything today, it's usually gonna be on the next week contracts, unless I want to get a little frisky. Trade 1358 makes me plenty of money every day. Jason Sanders, I appreciate that, buddy. There we go. Yeah, guys, again, come check it out. Links in the top of the live chat. Pythagoras, monster. Invictus, monster. The community is fucking amazing. So I'll throw that link for you guys in here again. But yeah, come check it out. Come check it out. It's the best place to come and learn how to trade, man. I mean, our results speak for themselves. The only people that are upset are like the ones that aren't there. Let's see. Did Best Buy report something good? I thought they didn't. I thought they pulled guidance. Huh. Yeah, they did pull. I thought they pulled guidance on their earnings, but yeah, they must have reported decent earnings. But this is a dud here. That's a dud on earnings. 1.5%. Denial. Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Is Meet Kevin's Series A real estate company worth it? I haven't looked at it. If you're, I think you can only invest in it if you're accredited. So that's going to eliminate a lot of people. He's really good at what he does. So I would not think that it's going to be bad, but I haven't looked at it. So I can't really, I'm not putting money in it. So I don't know. I think he's going to be very successful with it, but who knows? MGAM? Yeah. What's that? What time frame you want on this thing? MGAM. Global esports. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, this thing, is this earnings death? Jesus. Oh, this is a new one. Oh yeah, I don't fuck with these. New listings, IPOs. I don't usually screw around with these. We were talking about this. When was this? I think it was so we were in the voice channel one afternoon in the Discord where we were looking at stuff, and like IPOs are I don't mess around with them. Unless you're going to quick flip them, they're most likely going to come down. Like if you guys don't know what a green shoe option is, research that. That's when the underwriters can over a lot. Let's say they were originally able to sell, like basically issue or like facilitate the sale of 100 million shares. But if there's more demand, like with almost all of these crazy hyped IPOs that come out, they can sell a certain amount more. They can exercise their green shoe option and sell more shares than originally planned. Cramp. So then they can basically flood the market with more supply. It's like, okay, well then even if the stock goes up, they're going to fuck with it. Hell yeah. 1348 is the truth. There we go, Chuck. Fuck yeah, buddy. Woo! Me, Kevin was linked to the AMC short ETF. Reddit is very angry at him. I mean, they're going to be angry. I haven't looked at it, but again, if it's a company that's going to allow like everybody to make ETFs, you could have an ETF that's going to be like selling crack or like something crazy. And it's like, well, if you don't like that, I don't know. I mean, if the people are trying to make the argument that Meet Kevin is a hedge fund plant that is trying to no, the dude has way too much money to be fucking around with that nonsense. At like almost any time that I see something and it's like paid off, I'm like, oh, brain dead. When merch? 1348 merch is coming soon. Very soon. You're buying 1348 subs for all your family this Christmas. Woo, cootie. There we go, buddy. Get the family printing too. Associated with the rental market? Yeah, sort of. I mean, what is it? 80%? There's some certain percentage where REITs have to pay out, I think it's NOI, the net operating income, back in dividends. So it's a certain percentage that they have to pay. So yeah, it would be a little bit. Denial. Thanks for the super, buddy. We're 119 and a half hours last week. Holy shit. But we got big and tall sizes. We got some XXLs coming in, Joseph. We got some stuff. I'm wearing the Invictus shorts right now. Also, here's the thing. I was trying to make this look a little bit better. Hold on. Just really quickly before open. You can't see this here. But look what I got. Oh, you can't see it on the thing. Oh, that's fucked up. That's annoying. This is my STV sign, and you just can't see it. Huh. Well, that's annoying. That's unfortunate. We're going to have to change that. Can you, Ralph, thanks for the super, buddy. Can you check NVIDIA? Where do you think it will go this week? Yeah, I can look at NVIDIA. I mean, a lot of it's going to depend on if the SPY is going to crack that 400. But on the daily here, look at this. Cross down. Looking. I mean, you could easily come down and test this support level, 155.79. It's at 159 right now. It's up in the pre-market. So looking at this on the 4 hour, it's probably bouncing up to the 13. Yeah, it's just you can see this rim of the 13 and then right back down. And then you've got these little levels back down here, this 160, and then these levels down here. Wow, that's far. 144. That is far. That is far. All right. So it easily could come down, especially with the SPY here. Watch this zone that we have drawn out. 402.50 coming back down. See what it does at this little zone. Where's the 1348 merge? It's coming soon. It's not released yet. It's coming very soon. I did most of the back end stuff yesterday. I just gotta do a couple other things, and then we're good to go. Background's too bright. Yeah, because I'm by my fucking window. It's like the only place for this thing to go. All right, guys. Again, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. Let's see. So what do we want for open? How much time we got left? 8 minutes. Okay. SE Corporation, oil field safety. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, the background's too bright, which sucks. All right. I have room darkening shades. I just have to figure out how to get them up here. I think I could do it. And then it would look really cool with it. AMD. Same, I mean, gonna have very, very similar moves to NVIDIA. That's a sympathy play. It looks very similar on the 4 hour. RSI. Ooh, okay. What was the final conclusion of finding out synthetic shares after Ape stock? That was not the main point of it. Nobody can find synthetic unless they did, and we don't know about it. But that wasn't the main point of it. The main point of it is to raise money for AMC. That's what it is. And you guys heard my argument on it too. Everybody was up in arms. They were like yelling. I was like, here's both sides. And they were like, fuck you, there's only one side. And I'm like, all right. All right. All right, let's see. So coin is screwing around a little bit. SPY moving around a little bit. Hello, everybody. What's should I use a broker from TradingView? TradingView doesn't have option chains pulled up, so you'll have to execute on something else unless you can link another broker that has options to TradingView, execute on it. Like it's going to be a little bit more difficult. Like I use Webull for it. I love Webull. Why do you hate AMC, bro? Like everybody, it's gonna do what it's gonna do at the end of the day. It's gonna go up, down. It's gonna fly around, do its thing. Let's see. What's the lowdown from last night's stream? Don't have time to watch it now. If it's market related for today. Oh, you missed Rudy. You missed the Rudy story. Everybody was giving me shit that I like to go hang out with this golden retriever. Like. Let's see. Let's see. All right, guys. All right. What do we got here? Tessie fucking around. I don't really want Tessie for open. Where's Apple? Because Apple's been moving a little bit weird in relation to the overall market. And banging its head back up on this 200 here. Where's Baba? Whoa. Hello. Alibaba among a number of U.S. Chinese listed companies selected by regulators for audit inspection. Makes sense. So more of that accounting audit news coming out. So watch if it's going to really slip 91.11. I mean, it's down below all those levels here. We got 5 minutes to go until open, people. Here we go. No. It's literally just a golden retriever, guys. It's just dog. It's literally a dog. Let's see. Joseph Birds, thanks for the super, buddy. Here's for a jar of peanut butter. Next time you're kicking it with Rudy, get used to, bro. I can't. You guys won't even let me hang out with a dog without making comments here. And a golden shower is just a shower. No, it's not. There were 2 nights. It was the dog's birthday. I hung out with the dog. It's not much. There's really not much else I can tell you about that. I was just hanging out with a dog. It's a pretty cool dog. There was another dog too. The other dog was like on crack. I previewed dating this dog. Okay. Back to Focus Land. Back to Focus Land. Here we go. Finish the story. Details. This is the thing, because there's a lack of details and it's not that crazy of a story. Everybody's like, what the heck is going on? It's literally just me going to see a dog. All right, give me like 2 seconds. I got to turn the AC back on. It's hot in here. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. All right, I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Hi. Hello. 3 minutes until open here. You have 3 dogs. They can be a handful at times. I did wish the dog a happy birthday. Am I doing drugs with the dogs? No. DM Ohio, what's up, man? Morning, Vix. Thanks for the positivity and wish everyone much success. DM Ohio, you're an absolute beast, buddy. Absolute fucking monster in the market, dude. Like, I love to see it, man. You guys have been killing it. All you 1348ers in there, everybody that's been in the group for a while, you guys are doing awesome. The gains channel is awesome to see. Let's see. I love it, man. That's what we're all here to do. Let's see what's going on Twitter. NVIDIA spike. Is it nonsense candles before open, or is it a spike? No, NVIDIA did not spike. All right, so what is this? We'll go NVIDIA, BABA, coin. We'll see what happens with the firm and everything else, but let's see. SPY's looking like it wants to slip a little bit here. So watch SPY come down to this 402.50 and then see what happens from there. Why are you talking about golden showers in the live chat? Why are we doing this? All right, there we go. Why is this happening right now? I can't believe you've done this. All right, let's see. Take a photo. Let's see. 1 minute to go. Here we go, team. Yeah, NVIDIA slipping here. You got this little gap that it could fill. 158.84. Do you consider the 8:01 a.m. candles support resistance? You just ignore it. Oh, the flash candles? These? No, I think that I don't really use those much because they're not on the other brokers. So I would say no. For Pythagoras or daily plays, would you look at 4-hour levels too? Or does that make you too busy? No. I look at 4-hour levels too. Oh, ding. Oh, no, just kidding. I front ran it a little bit there. I pulled a Pythagoras and tried to front run the entire the dig. Here it is there. All right, ding, ding, ding. Market's open. Let's get after it, people. All right, so SPY. Fucking about. Baba slip. Nvidia doing its thing. Coin. Ooh, high coin. Hi. Like number 184. I appreciate that, Josh. Thank you, buddy. AMD knife. Yeah, the chips look like they're coming down. How bad was the AMD knife? Oh, come on, Amanda. Coin trying to move a little here. Bunch of slackers with unhyped horses. Yeah, guys, no slackers. We're having no slackers today. All right, let's see. 403.62 new lows on the SPY. Let's see. Yeah, AMD. That's an interesting move there at open. Rises and deals new rise. Yeah, I don't know why that's dipping on that. But coin looks interesting. Coin's shooting here. Coin's shooting a little bit. Tesla. Slip. Tessie. It was slipping here and moving back down. Here comes SPY a little lower here. Watch SPY come down to this 402. What do you call it? 42. Snow is moving. Yeah, you guys were talking about snow yesterday too. Yeah, snow is headed up here a little bit. Let's see. What are these doing? Where's CFVI? How's this doing? eBay. What's up with this monster? Oh, there it goes. There she goes. Oxy selling? Yeah, careful with that. Oxy could come back around to the other side too. And then we've got what, 28 minutes till Invictus comes on? Yeah, so Invictus will be live at 10. We'll be walking through a little bit of some Invictus plays with you guys too if I see anything that I like. But Invictus is a monster. People have been killing it with Invictus. I like Pythagoras a lot too. They're fucking crazy, dude. All right, let's see. SPY walking its way back up. Coin trying to shoot. Yeah, Oxy getting hit here. Yeah, Oxy is melting. Snow on the way up. Woo! Pythagoras fucking killing it, dude. Jesus. Netflix. Netflix is a fun one. Netflix is getting the juice here. This has been happening a little bit with Netflix. Watch it above what we saw this yesterday at 225. Watch it above basically 230. It does this at open and just goes crazy. Here comes coin. And then also remember, we have that economic data coming out at 10. So things could get a little bit wild until then. Let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like on the way in. All right, Netflix looking spicy here. What's it doing? So SPY wicking down to 403 about. Let's see. Charge point. Charge point. What do we got? Oh, hi. Oh, hello. There's plug moving too. Yeah, charge point's moving. Oh, this thing could get a little nutty here. What's the news on these? Oh, earnings? Hold on. Does this have earnings? The 30th. After hours. Yeah, so this has earnings after hours. Be careful with this. Snow sharked. Did Netflix shark? Oh, Netflix isn't sharking yet. Boeing. Thank you. Boeing. Oh, some things are just getting the juice today. Hello at open. Let's see. What do we got here? CVNA is a fun one. The spreads are a bit wonky on it, though, so careful. Yeah, CVNA is ripping here. Huh. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to probably be patient until we see the data come out. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm looking to see how the market's going to react to job openings, job quits, and consumer confidence index all coming out at 10 a.m. That's also when Invictus comes on live, too. So get ready for that. Again, Invictus is a monster. So get ready. Oh, I think we're pushing. I think we got something special with Invictus today, too. And again, guys, if you want to hop in there with us, come to the best place to learn how to trade. Here's the link right there. Make sure you guys come check that out. Click that link. Hop in there with us. You guys won't be disappointed. The amount of stuff that we have for you guys is crazy. Dash, the spreads are also a little bit wonky on this one. Yeah, everything's starting to move, but the SPY just looks weak and looks like it wants to get walked down. That's kind of what everything looks like across the board. Things are getting the juice, but SPY doesn't look like it wants to just go bing up and support everything moving back to the upside here. So Netflix still running here. You played CVNA yesterday. Their spreads suck. Yeah, you can catch them sometimes where the spreads move. All right, here comes SPY. Snow is slipping. Snow is slipping hard. Where are the chips? AMD not looking too good here. CFVI selling off. Will it climb again today? I don't know about today. But CFVI slipping here. After what? After how big was yesterday? 16%. It only makes sense that it wants to come down. And again, remember what we said in the video yesterday about it. The RSI is fucking cooked. It needs to come down. Scalp 9% from Netflix. Nice. Now, this thing is flying all over the place, though. Phase went straight up. All right, Phase. Whoa, Phase is up 22% and it's sold off like this? Jesus. Your yesterday Lucid puts are almost up 100%. Fuck yeah, dude. There you go. Yeah, here comes SPY slipping to the downside. Let's see. Can you look up UP? Yeah, what's UP? Wheels up? Ooh, jet. Nah, I don't like this. $1.92, not for me. Daily. I would say this is not. Yeah, daily cross down. Not looking too good here on UP. Let's see. Here comes SPY slipping a little. Chewy. Yeah, I mean, again, things are moving a little bit all over the place this morning. It's within the first 10 minutes of the market. So let's see what we're going to get. SPY looks like it wants to crack it. Did make a new low, but it didn't hold. So we'll see. You think SPY it's 390 when? You held a snow 187.50 put overnight. Die snow die. Oh, it might. Yeah, coin moving back up here. Where's Netflix? Flying around a little bit, bouncing off VWAP. Where is, hold on. Let's see. I want to see that crack back down into this zone here. That's what I want to see. I want to see it come down and touch this zone and see how the buyers and sellers are going to react. Because right now you're not really seeing anything. You're seeing that morning volatility start to come in. Coin actually looks interesting here. Where is this? It's basically 69.50 could be the breakout level on coin, previous highs. But SPY doesn't look. Mouth clicking is banned on this stream. You know what, Kelly? All right, here it comes. AMD, slip. CFVI, what's it doing? Diving? Yeah, this thing's selling. This is where I took profits on CFVI yesterday early for 61%. Yeah, that was nasty. Yeah, it's getting clicked down here, down to 11. I mean, again, what did we say? It's most likely going to come down. That RSI is so hot. Look at this. Look at this. On the 4 hour, hot. Well, okay. For whatever reason, the RSI on this thing just loves to fly around like crazy. Still above its moving average. On the day, though, it's probably still cooking. No, it just got knocked here. So, I mean, it did cool on the RSI. Let's see what happens with it, though. Yeah, thanks for the vids on it lately. You are welcome. Netflix slipping, never mind. Yeah, Netflix moves a little bit weird. It is slipping down below VWAP here. AMD looks like it wants to slip a little. SPY is just slowly making these new lows over here. What was that? 402.93. Okay, so it slipped 403 there. Can I check the flow on the SPY? I don't use the flow. Here's why. You can get an indication of where people are betting on it. But again, here's the two things that you have to worry about. One, you have to then assume that they know that those are actually the individuals that know something, that have more information that you do, and you're trying to follow them into the trade. Two, you also have the market makers that could actually inverse the trade and pump it the other way if there's big order blocks. So it creates a lot of uncertainty, which is why I don't really use it all the time. Let's see. Taiwan military drone headed towards China after shots fired. Oh boy. Oh boy. Scalp City on coin. I'm not touching it. I want to see what that data says, because I think that's going to be what's going to push the market in one direction, and that's when you're going to see the moves happen. I'm just waiting. Just waiting. So SPY's just kind of hanging around VWAP here. Nothing too crazy. Where's Baba? We're looking at Baba. Baba selling here. Here we go. This is interesting. I like Baba. Let's see if it breaks lows here. Fine, I'll follow the 10 a.m. rules today. They're there for a reason. The 10 a.m. rules are there for a reason. NVIDIA too. Slipping. AMD slipping. I have AMD over here. It's slipping down. SPY coming down, approaching 403 again. Tesla dying. Tessie. Yeah, Tessie's getting clicked here. Look at FaZe. FaZe was running. I'm not touching it. It's interesting to see, but yeah, no, I'm not touching that. All right, here comes SPY new lows. Just kind of really close to the. Here we go. Here we go. Here it comes to the zone, that 402.50. Pays to be patient. Yep. Howie, how you doing, man? And little bounce right off the zone there. So let's see. Baba slip, new lows. And if Baba's going to go, it's got a ways to go. AMD got bought up there. AMD's been moving a little bit wonky recently. You want QQQ? Yeah, I can give you QQQ. On the 5 minute here, it's moving very similarly to SPY. It's coming down to these pre-market lows. Same thing with SPY. It almost looks identical here. SV's tan line. What's up, buddy? How you doing? What do you think is going to be the play of the day today? I don't know. I'm waiting to see what the data is going to say. And then if the market starts to pick its direction, then we can see things start to fly around, but we will see. It's getting hot in here. SPY's just hanging on for dear life at this zone. Scalp 15% from Netflix on the way down. Joseph, my man, there you go. I mean, again, that's if you're going to be trading before 10, you need to have a good understanding of it's very quick scalps. They can easily go against you very quickly, especially if you're going to trade weeklies, which is crazy. That's a little bit wonky, but I mean, you were looking at target before. Thoughts? Slipping. It's up 0.42. It's about to cross here. That doesn't look bad. Baba slipping. Here comes SPY. QQQ coming down now too. Breaking these pre-market and after hour, or testing the after hours lows here. All right. We got 13 minutes until the data comes out. Let's see what it wants to do. All right. NVIDIA dying. Nancy. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I've got 153.46. This thing looks nasty here. NVIDIA could get dirty. 402.22. It's below it right now. Unless you're saying 401.22. This is getting dirty here. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Let's see. Coin slip. SPY teeter in that foot. Oh, it's fucking around here. Oh, it broke. Yeah, let's see if it holds there. And I just don't like anything before the data comes out. Again, the market's still going to be open after 10. So Baba was dying. Where's that level on Baba that we have? It's 91.15. Yeah, Baba looks like it wants to. SPY pulling back up a little bit here. So the buyer stepped up out of this zone a little bit. It's doing this a lot. Let's see what happens here. QQQ back up. Yeah, everything's probably bouncing. This is why I'm waiting. It's just everything's just flying around. This is why you got to be careful before 10. The market hasn't really picked its direction yet. It hasn't confirmed wanting to get down into the zone and chop down yet. Let's see. Yeah, and then Invictus is going to be on in about 11 minutes as well. So we turn on Invictus at 10 just because the morning volatility doesn't make any sense to be fucking around with Invictus before 10. And yeah, if you guys do want to come in there, come to the best place to come and learn how to trade: Pythagoras, Invictus, the live streams, the curriculum, the options data, the charts, the community. The link's in the top of the live chat, but here it is right here. Come check it out. We have a lot of crazy things. Like Pythagoras, we were going over it this morning. I've hit some nice Pythagoras trades. The thing is an absolute monster. Keith, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Feels like old times SV. Quick 21% on SPY puts. Play tomorrow's expiration, but watched it like a hawk, then struck. Keith, fuck yeah, buddy. I love to see that. Nice job. Remember, name of the game, secure the bag. It's your money, and you need it now. Take it. But Keith, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Good morning, SV. Not really playing today, but wanted to pop in and say, hey, Diamond Backhand. Appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, have fun on your trip you got going on there. FCX Pythagoras. Freeport. Is this oil? Day is alerting Apple puts. Ooh. Can you day trade Pythagoras or long term? It's more long term just because it's alerting on the daily time frame. The trades are going to take a little bit longer to play out, so it's perfect for people who don't necessarily want to trade options because Pythagoras just trades shares. So you can follow along with shares on Pythagoras, and it's an absolute monster. I think he's up like 27 or 30% right now. And then you can trade options with it. But again, it's perfect for people with jobs that can't sit here and stare at the market all day long. That's why we created it, for the people with a job. We have something for everybody in there. FCX does look interesting here. What were we going to look at? Oh, this. I want to see if this has moved. 68.5 to 70.5. Ooh. Fed funds future stepping up. Yeah, SPY starting to slip a little bit here. NVIDIA back down. Yeah, you haven't gotten a closing candle in this zone yet, though. You're hunting it. You are hunting it. Vino, I know you're hunting that 400. I think the day that we see the crack below 400 is another really big red day, but we'll see. 401.99. Low of the day, 401.86. Yeah, it's flashing it here. Did you just use the JG Wentworth slogan? Yes. 100% I did. Based on what you created that SPY zone. Oh, this is from a while ago. So you can see it here too. So if you want more information, I have a supply and demand zone video out on my channel on how I draw these. I can't really go through the entire thing with you guys right now. It's pretty simple. But yeah, the zone is based on big moves previously in key levels. Coin is bouncing off the 200 EMA here. And SPY doesn't want to hang out in this zone. Level for Bob on the downside, it's like 91 something. Let me look on the 1 hour here, see if there's something else that we're missing on it. I mean, you do have this level here, sort of this resistance, 94.13. And then below that is really this level that we have down here, this 91. What is this? 94. Yeah. What is that? 94. I'll draw that out there. Just to have a little placeholder. See if it wants to slip down below that level here. Oh, it wicked. That's interesting. Yeah, SPY slowly walking its way back down here into this zone. Thanks for calling out prices. Helps those of us driving. Anytime, man. Anytime. Yeah, we do these live streams every morning, guys. Every single morning we're live like this. Every morning. So let's see here. SPY fucking about a bit. All right. 6 minutes until data. What does it mean when it wicks? Well, if it's wicking to the upside, the sellers are coming in and pushing it down. If it's wicking to the downside, it's the buyers are coming up and pushing price back up. Here comes SPY approaching new lows here. Nope. That's a big move already on BABA. Jesus. Pythagoras is awake. Yeah, he is. All right, here comes SPY hunting these lows. What was the low of the day yesterday? 401.16. Okay. Let's see. Anytime, Joseph. Anytime. That's what we're here for. That is what we're here for. All right. What do we got? If 401.50 breaks down 400 around the corner. Yeah. You're right, bud. You're right. Relax. We're going to get there. We're going to get there. Don't you worry. All right, guys. Again, keep hitting that like button on this stream. Helps out with the algos here. Bob was flashing that zone here. Or that previous resistance. There goes SPY selling off. Let's see. QQQ coming down. Baba bounced off that level again. Let's see. SPY bouncing back up. All right. 55% on Exxon. Downside? Oh, Exxon. Shark in there. Jesus. All right. Watch these 1 minute rims on SPY. 6 months ago, I would have been kicking myself because of the money I left on the table at SPY. Now I'm happy counting my profit. Keith, exactly. It's about locking in the gains, throwing it back into the cash balance. Fuck yeah, dude. I love that. A lot of you guys have been doing that too, and you guys have seen the increases in your accounts by doing that. It's amazing. AMD dumpster fire right now? Yeah. I mean, what is it? It's only down 40 cents right now. Okay, 3 minutes till the data comes. This is a decent spot to have SPY into for this. Let's see. I almost want it to be right here for it because then you can see the push out of the zone or sell right back off into it. TLT is mooning. Ooh, what's the 10-year doing? 10-year's down. Interesting. So little flight to bonds here. But that's weird. 1348 has made me so patient, it's unreal. The old me would have been out of settled cash now. Marky Mark. There you go, buddy. It's all about patience. Finding your opportunity, strike. QQQ down. AMD down. All right. Then Invictus is going to turn on in 2 minutes too. So let's see what we get on that beast. Coin just fucking around at its 200 here. All right, 2 minutes until we get job openings, job quits, consumer confidence. Oh, and U.S. home price index was at 9. And then at 11, New York Fed President John Williams speaks. Let's see. To take off on AMD slipping. SPYs are still hanging around 402 here. All right, here we go. Let's see what the data is going to be. Let's see. Where's Baba? Still bouncing off that level here. EU has reached average 80% gas storage target. All right, now it's 10. Here we go. Let's see what we're going to get on the nothing yet. Hold on. Consumer confidence 103.2 versus 95.3 in July. Huh, that's a bit weird. Let me refresh this, see if we have more data on this. Nothing yet. Job openings 11.239 million in July. Oh, hold on. I don't want to be on TikTok. No, damn it. All right, little green here on the SPY. Hold on. Little retest here. And nothing's really jumping out at me right now. Like, this is amazing. So again, patience. You're going to make more money sitting on your hands than you are trying to willy-nilly fly into trades that don't make sense. Patience. Find the trade that's going to make the most sense. Pounce on it. Entry in the SPY at the top of the zone. We'll see. It might. I mean, 402.50 is going to be the real one that I'm looking for here, but it could easily get knocked here. Yeah, we don't have the quits. I think that's it really on the jobs data. You accidentally willy-nilly yesterday. I was quickly reminded why we don't do that. Pepe. Job openings 11.239 million, expected 10. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's a lot of job openings. SPY die. I'm waiting for it. We're waiting for it. It's just hanging around 402 right now. Nothing crazy is happening. Plug power. ChargePoint was doing its thing. Yeah, Plug's ripping. Where's ChargePoint? Did ChargePoint just say fuck it and run? No, wow. ChargePoint got killed. Coin pop. This is not, this level on SPY is not, I needed to confirm one way or the other. It's just like, it's like dangling the little foot. It's like, hey, here it is. It's like, come on, confirm in one direction or the other. Let's go. You got 2 minutes left on this candle. Diamondback hand. No board willy-nillying. That's not how we do things, pal. You know that. Let's see. Does Pythagoras incorporate ADX into its alerts today? I don't think today, but we're going to start incorporating it, I think, soon. Let's see what this next candle gives us. Diamondback in, that's not, we can't, anyone have thoughts on buying SQQQ shares? You can if you want to, if you want to hedge in terms of shares. It's not a bad hedge to have. Options on it are going to be a little bit wonky just because it's levered and the way that they do it, you're going to, you're going to run into issues with the recalibrations. All right. SPY's now moving down here. Let's see what happens with this. If SPY cracks 401.50, that could be dirty. There it is. There she goes. There she goes again. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, here it goes. Spy death. These contracts went up quick. That was a nice knife candle there. That fall down below for oh, it is still making lows here. Holy shit. Wow, 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 wow. Woo! You're on premium, made your money back times over, many times over. There you go, buddy. All right, these are up a lot. Cool. That was fun. All right, so Spy got that knife candle down. Let's see if it wants to make new lows below 401. That was fun. Good time. that was solid. Oops. Nice. There we go. All right. Let's see. Yeah, Spy is still slipping here. This sell-off through the zone could be filthy. Watch 450. This is Oh, this is getting filthy on the Spy here. Spy might be hunting that 400 right now. Watch this lower box level here on Spy. This could get a little gnarly. Yeah, here it comes. Let's see. 409 is the low here. It bounced. Let's see what it wants to do. If it slips 400, this could get filthy. So 408 is the low here. Let's see. Not bouncing back to 410 or 450. Let's see what it wants to do here. You got 2 minutes left on this candle. It tested it. There was that test, and it bounced right back up. Let's see if they knife it again. All your shorts looking like they popped a blue pill this morning. There you go, Algo. Yeah, let's see. You got 1 minute left on this candle. This could be where it just like opens flies. So be careful about this. Or it just opens and goes dead zone. So be careful with this stuff. ITW, thanks, Pythagoras. Pythagoras is a monster, man. He's a monster. Let's see. That 450 is going to be important. They sent it to 400 there quick. I don't know if they're going to want to break 400. Because that could be, like, bad. Oh, new candle. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, let's see. The sellers are right here, and the buyers are trying to step up and fight this thing too. Let's see if things start getting these knife candles. Let's see. It's a lot of red in a row here. That is a lot of red coming through. They're trying to pop it back. Let's see. ADX on SPY on the 5 minutes above 80. Oh, shit. The trend is strong. Oh, they're selling it. Let's see if it breaks 420. It's screwing around here at like 430, 440 here. QQQ down below the 50-day MA. What do you think, June lows? You could. It's just that's a big move down. All right, here it comes. Let's see if we get that crack of 400. It's coming down to these lows here. Let's see if it bounces again. Yeah, slipping new lows here. 400. Oh, let's see if they do it. Are they going to do this? Oh, no, they bought it up a little bit there. Ooh, this is a battle here at the bottom of this zone. This is gnarly. Come on. Come on. You going to do it? You going to give us that 400 crack? Come on. Come on. I know you want to do it. I know you want to do it, SPY. Oh, the sellers are here. They are out to play today. No way they're going to drop it that quick. It'll probably flash and come right back. That's what I'm looking at here. It'll probably flash, get a big candle down below. Look at this. It's just fighting this 400 right here. Like it keeps coming up to this 4. Yeah, there it goes back up. Let's see. Yeah, bouncing off the bottom of this zone here. Looking interesting. Yeah, way oversold. Yes. Yes. Did someone say crack? Yeah. This thing barely touched. It barely touched. So this is what we were looking at this morning, guys. It was okay. Let's see what happens in this zone. It broke the lows of yesterday. So the sellers are strong down here. You just have to see if it's going to break this 400. I opened my trading account to see the C play from Pythagoras is up 20%. Thanks for allowing me to finance a vacation this weekend. Pepe, fuck yeah. Guys, again, take control of your accounts. We have a lot of people in there really, really doing amazing things with their account. They're basically saying, fuck all the stuff that I can't control. I'm going to come in here and listen and learn how to trade, use the tools that are provided. Pythagoras, best tool on the market for retail right now. Perfect for people with a 9-to-5 job. Invictus, if you want to day trade, that thing's a fucking monster. The live streams, the curriculum, you guys are interested, here's that link right there. I mean, again, this is just absolute filth what you guys are able to do all the time. Enjoy Pepe. Send us pictures, says Aldo. Yeah, man. Yeah. The only thing that I've done today is just flip some SPY puts twice. That was fun. The second one was small. The first one was like 20%, which was nice. And it was on this. It was these candles here. So watch SPY here. I'm not really all jazzed up about where it could potentially go. I think you need to see that crack of 400. Oh, my eBays are looking sweet too. Woo! Where's eBay right now? eBay, are you not dying? eBay, you're an asshole. The SPY is down. You need to die. You bought 3 guitars, 3 vacations, and a Nintendo Switch with your 1348 gains. Bjorn. People get buying cars. Jesus, guys, you guys are doing awesome. I know DM Ohio had probably the wildest vacation of all time. All right, here comes SPY back down. Yeah, again, guys, I mean, our results speak for themselves. Like, that's at the end of the day, like, we have a group of people that are all willing to help everybody. We're there all the time. If you want to come make money in the market, let's go, man. Let's fucking go. All right, let's see. SPY screwing around a little bit here. I'm watching this little zone. That 400 level is going to be important. You bought a few watches too. I was never able to afford the ones I drooled over. Yeah. Let's see. SPY slipping. Slipping. Let's see. You only lost. Well, Matt, you gotta follow the rules, buddy. That's why they're there. You have to you have to understand, one, what the market is doing that day, the rules that we have outlined to confirm or deny a trade. The rules are there for a specific reason. There are a lot of trades that do cross that just don't make sense. And again, get more time. You can't be screwing around with weeklies. That's not going to help. And you also got to kind of think about, okay, well, did the trades go up 5-10%? Well, that's a great profit target. Nothing from Invictus yet? Let's see. Yeah, Invictus is not going to alert if there's nothing there. All right, SPY attempting that 400 crack again. eBay, die, bro. Okay, so the first crack below 400, if we do it today, be careful. They might try to bait people with a big candle and then pop it right back up. Yeah, everything's already crossed down with Invictus here. And it's tapping. It doesn't want to do it yet. So you're better off playing Pythagoras when everything crosses pre-market. Exactly. Exactly. Dude, oh, Algo, what's Pythagoras at right now? He's got to be slaughtering it. Same thing with Joe. Joe's probably up a lot too. Yeah, Vino, I see that. I think the day that we crack and hold below 400 is a nasty, nasty, nasty red day. So we'll see. Baba, see, Baba just hasn't given me the juice that it usually does. Coin slipping a little here. Joe is still at 19.4%. Yeah, I don't know what other hedge fund is doing that right now, but our algos are really solid. And you guys see every single trade that they're taking. It's perfect for people with those 9-to-5 jobs. You can trade options with them, which we outlined, but if you can't look at your positions all day, every day, I mean, those bots and those algos are a perfect way to generate money in the market. Pythagoras is like 26. There you go. Does Pythagoras have any inverse ETFs? I don't think so, right, Algo? I don't think he messes with the inverse ones. You have a 7-to-5 job? It's the same different. I just say 9-to-5 just because that's what it is. It's if you have a job, it works. Let's see. SPY pop. Interesting. Okay. SPY 1 minute reversal. If it gets the closing candle above the 1 minute 13, maybe. I would look more towards the 3. Even though the 3 is way up here, I would look more towards the 3. Because it can easily just get knocked right back down here like you're seeing it do. What's up, Brian? How you doing, buddy? RSI on the SPY needs to cool off before the next dump. I agree. I agree with you. What is it at right now? Also, what are the Fed funds futures doing? 70.5. What's it at now? 74.5. The Fed funds futures are stepping up. After the data that's came out, you're seeing them price in a greater percent chance for a 75 basis point rate hike. The market's not going to like that all that much. SPY, 5 minute. Let's see. Oh my God. Yeah, the RSI, little oversold here. Little bit oversold. 1348 has already made me around 5,000-ish since I started. I really appreciate all the help too. Got to trade shares on the daily right now, but it still helped me a bunch. Fuck yeah. Where can you find info about 1348? Gabor, we got it right here. Here is the link. It's also pinned to the top of the live chat, but I'll throw it in there for you as well. Guys, make sure you check out that link again. It's the best place to come and learn how to trade the algorithms, the live streams, the 3 people, the learning curriculum, the Invictus, Pythagoras, the alert system. We have something coming for you guys. We have a little something coming in the future. Be ready. Be ready for some announcements. Yeah, trading shares on the daily dumb money media is fine. That's what that's what, like, think about what Pythagoras is. Since inception, he's up like $26,000. How far out in the future? Not that far. We just have to meet and figure out how we want to do it. All right, SPY screwing around. Had some nice SPY gains over there. Quick flips. Now I'm just waiting to see. Now I'm just waiting to see what else we can get. That's really it. I'm still learning, taking small real money trades. There you go. Yeah, Algo does shares on the daily, and Algo fucking crushes it. Let's see. BBBY down. Yeah, that's what happens. Alligator's mouth. Ah! All right, where's CFVI? Fucking around at 11. Where's eBay? eBay, you better fucking die here, bro. eBay, it's time for coin slipping a little here. Oh, there goes SPY down below 400 here. There she goes. So watch this closely. As I said, it's very possible that the first crack below 400 gets bought right up. It's not doing it right now. If it breaks this low and you see 399.50, I think we're in dead zone. But we'll see. This could be the little trap. NVIDIA came all the way down to that level of support. Let's see. Yeah, I'm watching this closely. I think we could easily see this pop right back above 400. Yeah, mine is way down here on NVIDIA, 153.50. Actually, here's what we're gonna do. This is smarter. I'm not gonna be a dumb. I'm gonna be a smart person, I think. Yeah. All right, 1 minute until this closing candle happens outside of this box here. I want to see where it goes. There it is. All right. Let's see what happens here with SPY. See if it ends up making these lows here. This is not the best spot for SPY to be in. Remember, we did say it could easily pop back above 400 here on this first little crack down, which is easily what we could see. Which it looks like it's doing right now. The little retest coming back up. I mean, that RSI is cooked too. Like cooked. And then here it comes back to 400 here. Yep, see? Boom, right there. See that move? That was to bait all of everybody into getting puts for now. So let's see what happens with that. See? Told ya. Told ya. That was the bait right there. That was the bait. Seems to be lagging a bit. There's a couple second delay for YouTube. But that was the bait right there. So remember what we said like 15 minutes ago. It was like if SPY cracks 400, it's probably going to flash back up. This is the bait to get everybody buying puts below 400. All right, let's see here. Market maker, go away on bid. Yeah, well, the next slip could be the real one, but we'll see. But guys, we have 3 minutes until 10:30, so that is going to be wrapping up the live stream for this morning. So, wait, what'd you say? So Gabe should be on in a couple of minutes here. Again, guys, if you do want to come join us over here, make sure you guys come check out this link that I'm putting in the live chat right now. I'll throw it in a couple of times. It is also pinned to the top. The predictive bots are great. Need Nancy. That is trades exclusively on insider info. Yeah, I mean, we would love that. But again, guys, hop in there with us. If you end up hopping in there, make sure paper trade, learn the rules, watch the curriculum videos, come to all of the live streams. The amount of like education that you're getting in there is a lot, and you have to take the time to learn it, but we're always there to help you throughout the entire process. Pythagoras, monster. Invictus is a monster. The alert system is amazing. So again, if you guys are interested, hop in there with us. I will see you guys a little bit later. Other than that, peace.